Best deals. 1. Dokla Maker. The round idli plates come with multiple compartments, allowing you to prepare several idlis or doklas at once. Ideal for large families or those who love to meal prep, this feature enhances the efficiency of your cooking process. Just remove the trays and clean effortlessly. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Frying pan. You can confidently use metal ladles without worrying about damaging its surface. This pan comes pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, ensuring long-lasting durability and effortless maintenance. With the extra thick base of this frying pan, say farewell to burnt or stuck food. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Spiralizer. Compact size is perfect for individual portions. Great for curly fries, frittatas, salad garnishes, low-carb entrees and desserts. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Drying rack. Extends to almost twice its size to hold more items when needed. Integrated plug can be set to trap water for draining later. Raised ribs prevent water being trapped under glasses and bowls, and sloping base channels water towards draining spout. Non-scratch draining prongs which can be easily removed for cleaning. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Portable blender. Equipped with 6-edge sharp blades, dual 1500 mAh batteries, a high-speed 18,000 RPM motor, and 360 degrees whipping technology to smoothly blend fruits and crush ice in just 40 seconds without dead ends or clogging. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Organizer. Elevate your space with this rust-resistant stainless steel kitchen sink sponge holder that drapes effortlessly over your faucet, keeping sponges, soap, and scrubbers organized without suction or drilling. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Grater. It's durable and easy to use. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Strainer. Made of 100% cotton. Comes with cord lock to stay tight around colander rim. Machine washable. It is a good alternative to cheesecloth as it is not messy to open and close. Edges of cheesecloth often flips over and gets stuck to the yogurt while scraping down the yogurt. Also, specially designed for yogurt, this does not allow any way to pass through. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Containers. Is designed to maintain optimal freshness by locking out air and moisture. The leak-proof, airtight lid ensures your food stays protected, making it ideal for fridge storage and kitchen organization, especially for snacks and leftovers. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Casserole. Is designed with a finer grade of ceramic coating which is of light ivory color and gives a smoother finish. This grade of ceramic is not recommended to be used on high heat, and non-stick properties may be reduced if used at high heat. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Grill pan. They can last longer with proper seasoning and care. Tasty. Expect improved taste when cooking in cast iron grill pan. Chicken and veggies taste much better in cast iron grill pan. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Measuring cups. A perfect match for measuring cups for kitchen, baking measuring cups and spoons, and cake measuring cups. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Dosa tawa. Stay cool rosewood handle, comfortable to hold even when tawa is hot. Stainless steel rivets and bracket, firmly fixed. Will not loosen. Crafted with precision, the tawa features an extra thick 3.5 mm tri-ply base that excels in retaining and distributing heat evenly across the cooking surface. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Shelf. Is made up of high-grade aluminum frame. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. This bathroom storage rack has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg. No extra tool required for installation. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Cooker. Benefit from uniform heating throughout the base and sides with the 3 mm extra thick triple stainless steel. Experience effortless cooking with the wider mouth design, allowing easy stirring and better visibility. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Chopping board is incredibly sturdy and made up of A-grade teak wood. It has natural antibacterial and antimicrobial properties with no added dyes or stains. Reliable surface for all your chopping, slicing, and dicing needs. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Grill. Designed to accommodate big bread slices, this grill toaster is ideal for preparing hearty sandwiches like vegetable, cheese, club, or aloo sandwiches, making it versatile for all types of sandwiches. Griller is designed to deliver fresh, crispy, and perfectly grilled sandwiches with minimal oil. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Gloves. These PVC latex gloves protect not just your hands but also your wrists and forearms from water. These are ideal cleaning gloves, whether you are washing the dishes or cleaning up bathroom. Washing gloves have to be able to handle not just soapy dishes but slippery detergent bottles and smooth plastic utensils. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Pan. Made using food-safe and high-grade stainless steel that is sturdy, cool-touch Bakelite handle prevents the transfer of heat and provides a firm grip for holding. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Electric spin mop. Simply press and hold the spray button on the handle to spray water and mop. The spin mop wet mops hard floor of home and kitchen floor quickly. Perfect on floor tiles, wooden floor, laminate floor, marble floor, 180-degree swivel handle and 2-step adjustable extension rod for easy cleaning. The mopper fabric disc works with 150 rpm speed for effective mopping. A powerful and targeted steam blast that is controlled at touch of finger to provide even more steam power for stubborn stains and spots. Powerful steam and rotating pads provide up to 3x better stuck-on stain removal. Rotating pads deliver over 150 scrubs per minute, providing an effortless glide and a smooth cleaning experience. The pads do all the work. Easily control steam modes through the body user interface and activate steam blaster through the handle. Powerful LED headlights reveal hidden debris around your home. The spinning mop features dual rotating heads designed to lift dirt, dust, and everyday messes from tiles, marble, hardwood, and other sealed surfaces. This mopping spin stick supports efficient floor care with less manual effort for daily home cleaning tasks. This mop with spray includes a convenient one-touch spray function and integrated water tank for controlled moisture while cleaning. The spray mop for home design helps clean spills and surface marks without needing a separate bucket. Designed for flexible movement, the spin mop operates cordlessly with a self-propelling motion that assists during use. The lightweight build and adjustable handle make the spray mops for floor cleaning easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces. Equipped with front LED lights, the spinning mop for floor cleaning helps improve visibility while cleaning under beds, sofas, cabinets, and corners. The rotating head and slim profile allow the mop spray system to reach difficult areas more easily. Product link is given in the 20th link.